All right, family gang, the sugar girl. Me and hubby are, what are we doing? Oh, celebrating our 10-year anniversary, married together. And we got to get away this weekend. So we can do a room tour of where we staying at this weekend. Yay. So if you're walking in, this is our little sitting area, living room. It's like a little mini apartment sitting area. We have a full kitchen, phone, kitchen. Cabinets are nice. It's like a little mini everything. Sink, dishwasher, stove, full refrigerator. And then this is our view. And then again, table we're gonna sit at. Going into the bedroom, king bed, TV, lamp, dresser. Oh, I like these sliding doors too, y'all. Let me show y'all. Sliding doors. Bathroom. Shower. Toilet and closet. I love mirrors. Yes. So that is our room for the weekend. It's like a mini kitchen. A getaway from the kids this weekend. We haven't had that in a long time. Right now they have a live band down there on Friday nights, they said. So we are getting ready to go down there and participate in little things. And I am hungry, so yes, next thing you'll see where we'll be eating at. All right, family, gang.